Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car. This is the new Toyota Aygo X. It's got the full hybrid powertrain, the first one in its class to have the full hybrid. Now also you can notice the sporty design. We have the GR Sport trim available for the first time on the Aygo X and lovely color combination. Moving on to the side, 3 meters, 77.6 centimeters is the length of the car. Sits on the 18-inch wheels for the model in our video. And now from the rear, let me unlock it. Once again, you will see the beautiful tail lights. And then if I press this is the trunk space, 231 liters of space in here. And now we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive. Let's open the driver's door. Take a look at the interior with the lovely details here. And also before we check the view from driver's perspective, take a look at those seats, GR logo in here. And we are now ready for the drive. Okay then, let's start the drive. Press the power button. Car comes to life. Lovely layout here in front of us, like a funky design of the dashboard itself, very unique. Let's put on the seat belt, put it to drive, and yeah, that's it. Off we go. We will start with the specifications. So it is the full hybrid, as I already mentioned. It's got the 1.5 liter hybrid unit producing 116 horsepower. So a lot more compared to the predecessor, 44 horsepower more compared to the petrol unit of the predecessor. And now the numbers, 9.2 seconds is the time to reach 100 kilometers per hour, and the top speed is 172 kilometers per hour. So those are some really nice numbers. And in today's video we are driving through the city, so you will see just how nice and relaxing the drive in this car is. Alright, and we are now in the city. The layout here in front of us, the 7-inch digital cockpit, improvement compared to the 4.3-inch one on the predecessor, and the main touchscreen with nice integration here into the dashboard itself. Again, very cool design in my opinion. Now you do have also some physical buttons which are here for adjusting the AC and the settings. There's also the button for the heated seats for the driver and the passenger as well. So easy way to operate the AC. I think you will agree with me that the buttons are always the easiest solution, and also looks quite nice. The steering wheel with the physical buttons and the GR logo in the lower section. Speaking about GR, so again, GR Sport trim available for the first time on the Aygo X. And next to the sporty look that you saw from outside, and also like details here, they've also tuned the suspension and the steering. So nice feel, but also let's mention without compromising the ride comfort. That's also very important. And yeah, I couldn't agree more, because the ride comfort is so good in this car, and I could just drive for hours. They really did a great job. So yeah, overall very nice package. Now you can have also this energy flow. You can see then what is happening with the hybrid system. And this car has got the lowest CO2 emission on the market. When it comes to the non-plug-in hybrid models, just 85 grams of CO2 per kilometer. And 3.7 liters is the consumption by WLTP standard. So overall, some really nice numbers. The infotainment system is very easy to use. You can watch my full review during the day to see more details regarding the system itself. But today, of course, the main focus is the night drive. Digital cockpit in front of the driver. There is one view, but then you can also change what you like. You can actually set various things and settings and adjust them on the digital cockpit, and many vehicle settings and driver assist and safety systems can be configured here. So if you hold OK, then here is where you have, you know, some of the details. And the car has got different driving modes. You can change them by pressing the drive mode button. So power, eco, and normal. Also the theme changes here on the digital cockpit. And the car is very fun and easy to drive. And I say easy because this turning circle is less than 5 meters. So it's really easy to you know, go around town and, you know, make turns and maneuver through parking lots, for example, and so on. And the beeping sound is for the overspeed warning, mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. But here it's very easy to turn it off. So just press this. So it's on the main menu, and you don't need to go into the menus to turn off the speed warning. And a huge thumb up from me for that, because yeah, it's easy to, you know, just press it and that's it. No more beeping as soon as you go just like a bit over the speed limit. To power mode now. And yeah, there is also the EV mode. There's a separate button for that one. Steering very sharp, precise. Fun little car. There's also the B mode for maximum recuperation of energy. Let's see. Goes to around 7 kilometers per hour. 6. Now I will apply the brake myself, and you also have the red details here when you apply the brake. now we are driving with just electric power. And here I want to show you the turning circle because it's so impressive. So I will turn here. Take a look at this. And that's it. And that's it, the night drive with the new Toyota Aygo X. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the car? How did you like the drive? I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more videos with this car, but also other new cars. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.